come and take Fulani herdsmen out of Yoruba land, or there will be trouble. Yoruba Nation agitator Igboho tell President Buhari to take Fulani herdsmen out of Yoruba land, or there will be trouble. It has come to the public notice that the activities of the herdsmen in some states is becoming appalling. Though, according to him, he said he is concerned is issues pertaining to Yoruba land, and there is no way the herdsmen can continue to live in the Yoruba land because of the massive killing. However, he further said President Buhari should tell the Fulani herdsmen to leave Yoruba land before Friday, else there will be trouble. Though he said he cannot be discussing a country that cheats Yoruba people, and he urged all Yoruba people to come together as one and send these Fulani herdsmen packing. No one will do it for us, and senators are not doing anything to help the situation. However, he further said Fulani herders killed a medical doctor, and they also killed a woman who built her own filling station and others, and the government could not do anything. Our people are not happy with the killings, and President Buhari should do something about it. All we want in this country is peace. We are one Nigeria. There are better ways to settle issues without resulting to conflict. According to Sahara reporters, Sunday Igboho says, take Fulani herdsmen out of Yoruba land or there will be trouble. Yoruba Nation agitator Igboho tells Buhari Sahara reporters he warned of impending doom if the herders do not leave Ibarapa by Friday. He even gave them ultimatum, said by Friday Fulani herdsmen should have left Ibarapa, which is Oyo State. Sunday Igboho is a chief and a citizen of Nigeria, and a chief in the Oyo a chief in Ibarapa in Oyo State. He's telling Buhari that they should come and take away the herdsmen, the killing of the herdsmen, Boko Haram and the bandit, they are working together. It was lately that Sunday Igboho and the community leaders went to discover the hideout of the herdsmen. According to the storyline, it says, speak with one voice, no shaking. There is no space for terrorists in the south west. Let not hold the Aso Rock power and still suffer the activities of terrorism and terrorist group they created in their quest for political power. So many reactions on Twitter, as Twitter handles have been reacting by this nonsense must stop. We are all one Nigeria. The Fulani have contributed more towards nation building than any group in Nigeria. Irony of what they said they deserve to occupy any part of Nigeria, which is not true. They are just herding so many cows here and there, and a typical herder that is supposed to herd cows or cattle are not supposed to hold gun. They're supposed to just to hold stick to control their cows. But in a nutshell, in this era of Buhari, they carry gun, they work with gun, AK-47, AK-49. To anybody that disturb them with their cow or their cattle, they will gun them down. Everything Buhari, everything federal government, county, state, governor, legislature, chairman, etc. handle such between them. They didn't relocate in 2015. Those Fulani were living in that area since 90s. Why now would they want to leave? That's the question from someone from a Twitter handle which says, why do we want them to leave now? Yes, the answer to that question is their activities now is becoming barbaric, because if they don't leave now, they have gotten the power they wanted. When they were in the southwest since 90s, any of their Fulani or their northern person has never been on the throne, which has never become president. So this is the right time for them to start over pampering themselves because they have Buhari on the throne. They want to start misbehaving. That's just the answer to the question. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more news. Don't forget to share this news so that others can be aware. You are listening to Independent TV 7. Let's deliberate on this issue. Is it now that the Fulani herdsmen are supposed to leave Oyo State or to leave the Yoruba land? Why are they now agitating that herdsmen should leave Yoruba land? Is it now that they are supposed to leave? I would like you to share your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for listening and God bless.